Here I have VIVO V20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key, okay, and you will enter this kind of mode, the fast boot mode. And here you have to, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you have to select recovery mode. And here you have such options like install software, clear data, check system, shutdown or restart. So if you want to quit this mode, just select restart, and after that your device will be restarted as usual, and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.